Hi there friends, welcome back to Heart-Filled Kitchen. Are you looking for a quick and easy dinner idea that will please the whole family? Well, these kid-friendly Sloppy Joe cups are perfect for those busy weeknights when you're short on time but you still want a delicious and satisfying meal. To get this super simple recipe going, start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Now head on over to your stove top and brown 1 pound of ground beef. Add your favorite or homemade Sloppy Joe sauce. Now that we have our Sloppy Joe mixture prepared, grab 1 can of crescent roll dough and a cutting board. Now just spread out that crescent dough on the cutting board and press all the seams together. I'm using this little roller to take care of my seams. Now just cut your dough into 12 equal parts. To do this, you'll cut 3 slices from top to bottom and 2 slices from side to side. Now take each of those squares and place them in a greased muffin tin. To each one of the cups, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your Sloppy Joe mixture until all of the mixture is used. Now we're going to top the mixture with shredded cheddar cheese. To finish that up, we're going to give it all a good sprinkle of parsley and pop that into your 375 degree oven for 14 to 16 minutes or until your crescent rolls are fully cooked. There you have it, Sloppy Joe cups that are quick, easy, and super delicious. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you'll be giving it a try. Thanks again, friends, for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!